हमारे साथ आज शो पर है रजा जाफरी.
It's going to be a very shitty show.
इमोशनल सपोर्ट सिचुएशनशिप.
18 plus हो जाएगा show.
NPC energy.
I have to control this. Is it N or L?
It is N. उठा ले.
कश्तियाँ डूब चुकी हैं.
बेटा नहीं करनी थी ना ऐसी हरकतें.
इतना लंबा याद करने के लिए आपको अच्छा खासा टाइम लगा होगा.
कितना लंबा?
ये जो आपने सारा बोला.
Welcome to our very own show Relationships, Toxic Takes and Honest Mistakes. हमारे साथ आज शो पर है रजा जाफरी who is जिनको एक्चुअली तो किसी तारुफ की ज़रूरत नहीं है. रजा जाफरी is a very well known photographer in fashion industry and a very dear friend of mine. Finally इन्होंने आज हमें टाइम दे दिया है. बहुत दिन से हम कोशिश कर रहे थे रजा को अपने शो पे बुलाने की और ये हमें गोली पे गोली दे रहे थे. Finally he agreed and he came. Thank you so much रजा. कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हूँ. मैं इतनी देर से सोच रहा हूँ कि इतना लंबा याद करने के लिए आपको अच्छा खासा टाइम लगा होगा.
कितना लंबा?
ये जो आपने सारा बोला बगैर रुके बोला एक साथ. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ओके
या
हाँ फाइन.
चलो रजा, एक चीज़ जो मैं क्योंकि अभी तक हमने ये लॉन्च नहीं किया है, इंशाल्लाह हम जल्दी इसको लॉन्च करने वाले हैं.
किसको?
हमारा शो, हमारा
अच्छा
बीबी.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
मैं अपने सारे गेस्ट से एक सवाल ज़रूर पूछती हूँ कि व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट दिस शो, व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द नेम, व्हाट डिड यू थिंक? पहली चीज़ क्या आई थी दिमाग में?
It's going to be a very shitty show, but
शिटी?
it doesn't look like that.
You actually?
You wanted me to be honest, right?
Yeah. You actually thought.
She asked me for the show 3 महीने पहले, almost 3 months back, and then ever since that time, she has asked me like 100 times and hasn't shown me anything, not even a single clip from the show or a recording or anything. I've been asking her, and she's hating me right now.
I am not hating you. I actually want this Raza because usually people when they usually go to किसी पॉडकास्ट पे या किसी इंटरव्यू पे तो people doesn't show themselves the real person they are, but I wanted you and the rest of the guests, whoever I call at my show, I know कि अच्छा ये बंदा जो है ना, that person, you know, वो लोगों से acknowledgement और आपको वो वाली सर्टिफिकेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. There are some personalities. आई थिंक कि तुम, मैं या बाकी जो मैंने गेस्ट वगैरह बुलाए थे, आई थिंक दीज आर द पीपल हु कैन बी हु दे आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैम, ऑफ कैम. ऑब्वियसली हमारी एक साइड होती है जो वी डोंट फील लाइक शेयरिंग, बट एक पर्सनालिटी शिफ्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज समथिंग.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. देयर इज नो पर्सनालिटी शिफ्ट हैपनिंग एनीवेयर, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन योर लेट 30s. ये पर्सनालिटी शिफ्ट वाला जो है ना, मामला ख़त्म हो जाता है. देयर इज ओनली वन पर्सनालिटी दैट एवरीबडी वांट्स टू शिफ्ट, but it does not shift.
I will give you examples after the show. So our first segment is story time shit show. In this segment, I would like you to give us some spicy, sassy, cringy, disturbing, any sort of relationship related story जो तुम्हारे साथ या तुम्हारे किसी दोस्त के साथ या किसी जानने वाले के साथ कभी हुआ. और you know there are stories जो बहुत shocking होती हैं कि ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा कैसे हो गया, these kind of things.
Okay, मैं इस सवाल के जवाब में कोई कहानी नहीं सुनाना चाहूँगा. I would like to put it as you know, stories, relationship stories are these are something that do not exist now. ये होती थी किसी ज़माने में जब आपके पास मोबाइल फ़ोन्स नहीं थे और टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी उस तरह की. एंड आजकल तो बेचारे लोग दे आर सफरिंग विद सोशल मीडिया एंजाइटी, और वो सोशल एंजाइटी होती थी, अब सोशल मीडिया एंजाइटी होती है. हाँ, तो रिलेशनशिप्स हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज यू हैव सो मेनी प्रोफाइल्स, सो मेनी ऑप्शंस, सो मेनी एप्लीकेशंस. योर माइंड इज completely diverted in terms of you know, focusing on maybe your work, your relationships, your love life, um, stories that are connected to humans, वो अब हो नहीं सकता उस तरह से because वो होता था हमारे वक्तों
I
में like
think तुम
back in
ना
the days.
तुम मेरे क्वेश्चन को ठीक से समझे
मैं
नहीं
twist कर रहा हूँ.
ट्विस्ट कर रहे हो ना बिला
हाँ
वजह
because मुझे
twist
कोई
कर रहे
कहानी
हो।
नहीं सुनानी आपको. हो सकता है ना कहानी 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 क्या कहानी 18 प्लस हो जाएगा शो.
It's already 18 plus by the way.
Ah.
But चलो मैं तुम्हें एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ।
मैंने बहुत घुमाने की कोशिश की और आई वाज फम्बलिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक किस तरह से घुमाऊं बिकॉज मुझे कोई कहानी नहीं सुना रही तो वो
चलो
नहीं
मैं
घुमा.
सुनाती हूँ।
हाँ आप सुनाए.
तो हुआ ये कि I know someone that girl she got in a relationship and she fell in love with that guy. That relationship turned कि उनकी engagement भी हो गई. They were about to get married. And then it turned out कि that guy started cheating on her with her friend who was a male and obviously her colleague as well. And eventually they both ditched that girl.
ऐसे सुनाना था कुछ. दिस इज एवरी अदर बॉलीवुड
Oh
मूवी
my
आई
god.
मीन
I know this girl personally.
एंड देन यू आर bitching about her and
I'm
putting
not
her
bitching
story
about
out on
her.
your show.
I am not
Obviously
bitching about
people who are
it. It's
close to you know
anonymous.
about this story
Obviously.
and you're saying it out loud on the camera.
No one knows.
No,
No one
I'm pretty
knows.
sure now.
Already people
if
knew.
if I send this clip of your podcast to her, how would she feel? I mean, she would feel betrayed.
She won't.
She will.
She won't.
She will. That's so
Trust
bad.
me, she won't.
It's very personal. I don't know. That's so unethical. That's why I wasn't telling a story.
Why are you trying to turn the whole situation?
That's what I do.
In real life, yes, I know
Yes.
that. Okay, so this was our first segment, is hot takes and heartbreaks. तो इस सेगमेंट में हम आपको जेंजी रिलेटेड कुछ टर्म्स बताएंगे, ठीक है? और लेट्स सी आपको उनमें से कितनी टर्म्स का मतलब पता है, ठीक है? फर्स्ट टर्म इज इमोशनल सपोर्ट सिचुएशनशिप.
Okay, so it's a situationship, and but then you wanted this to emotionally support yourself for a period of time, and that's it. And you know that it's not like a permanent thing. It's just a need.
Okay, you're close, but basically it's a bond जिसमें you're not dating that person. You doesn't have that intimacy with that person, but आप अपना सारा emotional जितना भी आपका baggage होता है ना, आप उसके ऊपर dump करते हैं.
That's Nana. That's Nana for you.
Oh my God!
That's you.
Oh my God!
That's
किसके
you.
साथ किया है मैंने ये?
That's you. You have that situationship with I think all of your friends.
Trust me, I
Okay.
don't have.
I now I have a terminology.
Second
Okay.
term, vibe check fail.
Vibe check fail. Vibe check fail would be like okay,
You will, when I will tell you the इसकी explanation, तो तुम हंसोगे.
So maybe I tried to check the vibe but it failed. I mean, नहीं हुआ.
When someone's energy or behavior kills the mood.
क्या?
When someone's energy or behavior kills the mood. We know someone. Vibe check fail. हमारी third term. Green flag baiting.
Okay, I have no idea. I have no idea. No.
Pretending to be someone perfect at first. But that's just pretentious.
That's
like,
just
जो
everyone.
हाँ मतलब it's like the
That's-
initially when
it's
you
a very
pretend to
cultural
be,
thing.
हाँ,
हाँ.
initially when you pretend to be the perfect partner.
It's not
and
just
then-
with relationships. हमें बचपन से सिखाया
हाँ.
जाता है पहली दफा मिल रहे हैं तो बेटा तमीज से रहना.
ये वही
हाँ,
होता है
फिर
but ये वाला जो सीन
हाँ.
होता है ना ये जब तक
But after a
it's
few
not-
meetings, you just become, get to a
अच्छा,
point where you're
अच्छा in
being
relationships
yourself.
when this happens तो वो उस टाइम पर होता है जब आप किसी से मिल रहे हैं and that person's at their best behavior or finally you fall for them and
There's
then,
nothing wrong with that.
no when you fall for them eventually then they change.
You just see if you're meeting somebody for the first
I'm
time.
not saying it's wrong
No,
or
no, no,
right,
no,
I'm
no,
just
no.
explaining the terms.
मुझे नहीं समझ में आता why. I mean, ओके आप किसी से पहली दफ़ा मिल रहे हैं तो वो इंसान अगर अपने बेस्ट बिहेवियर पे है तो वो इसलिए है बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज पुटिंग इन एफर्ट्स
It's not about
to impress you.
पहली दफा ना. It's about, I'm not saying it's right or wrong, I'm just explaining the term. But ये उस वक्त होता है जब आप किसी को okay in easy way to say this, आप किसी को ट्रैप करने के लिए you show the best behavior for
What
a
is
while.
the trap?
I don't know. Best behavior for
But
a
you
while.
have to explain this like properly.
क्या मैं
I
तुम्हें यहाँ
don't-
सबक पढ़ाऊँ बैठ के?
हाँ तो नहीं समझ में आया हमें.
कोई बात नहीं हम बाद में समझा देंगे तुम्हें.
Hmm.
हमारी अगली टर्म is NPC energy.
Okay, so I have to control this. Is it N or L?
It is N.
Okay.
NPC energy.
NPC.
No bells ringing.
So many things coming in my head, but I just don't want to say it.
Okay, so when your crush acts like an emotionless background
What is the
character.
full form of NPC?
That I don't know. I just know the term. And
Google से ना निकाला
it's
करो.
not Google से निकाला हुआ. I had to do a lot of research to make one show for everyone. NPC energy is when your crush acts like emotionless background character. Emotionally unavailable वाला scene होता है. Next term is Postmates.
What? Pose what?
Postmates.
Host?
Postmates. Postmates.
Your ex's friends?
No.
No?
Roommates who also hook up. Postmates.
The hostmates.
Bhaiya, I am just telling the terms. जिसने जो करना है
What
वो
is
उसकी-
happening?
What is happening in the world?
Yeah. नहीं हो सकता
Okay.
भाई ये रिलेशन शिट्स ही होगा शिप्स नहीं बन सकती हम कश्तियां डूब चुकी हैं
कश्तियाँ डूब चुकी हैं.
with all these terminologies
सब कश्तियाँ
the
हम
next
लोगों ने हक दिया
generation
है.
would not have any relationships.
Okay, so हमारा third segment is toxic or timeless. Okay, so इसमें हम आपको एक situation देंगे जो आप बताएंगे कि ये green flag है, red flag है और क्यों.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है? According to you.
Mm-hmm.
Does true love mean never keeping secrets?
Yes, it does.
Why? Why do you think this way? Like,
Because if you're not comfortable sharing everything, then you're not sharing anything.
yeah. I also feel this way.
Yeah.
कि if even now with my current partner, I feel like I'm very comfortable
Current
sharing.
partner.
Yeah, my current partner. I didn't
Partner
born.
full. Not.
I didn't born in his lap. My current partner.
I did. Okay. I was just fixing my eyebrows.
Yeah. They were very messy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I did not gel them today. See that blow dry
Yeah.
and I'm on the show.
Did you ever feel this way with anyone? Did you ever had this opportunity where you could be the person who can open up to your partner?
You don't need an opportunity for this. I think it's,
No,
It
obviously,
is
if
a
your partner
continuous-
is not that You know, if your partner is not that person जिसके साथ you feel comfortable opening up,
नहीं नहीं ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता ना. If you're not comfortable, then why the hell are you together?
because then it comes like situationship
No,
and
no, no,
blah
no.
and
Then,
blah
then no, no,
blah.
no, no. Then you're, with somebody for material things.
Not just
Maybe
material.
the looks, maybe the money,
Hey,
maybe the
looks are
lifestyle
not
they
material
have.
things, huh?
No, because if you're not comfortable with somebody, let's put it that way, how the hell are you even with that person? You shouldn't
Because
be.
people are.
No, I mean,
And they keep secrets and
देखो नहीं 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 देखो there has to be a sense of respect when you're with someone, but that does not mean that you hide things or lie or maybe uh, you know there is stuff that is going on and you can't share because you're scared. If you're scared, then you should definitely share 100%. So if that person stays even after you share the worst of things, that means that person would stay. Otherwise, there's no point. You're wasting your time.
yeah, agree.
Hmm.
In our fourth segment, I'm going to give you different situations. ये ठीक है या गलत है?
गलत है.
Okay. Good. Good start. He
हाँ जी.
pays for everything. So I let him make all the decisions. Old school love or financial control?
Old school love. And financial control too. Depends on how you see it. Depends on what you're comfortable with.
She posts cryptic quotes when we fight. Emotional expression or attention Olympics?
Olympics, Olympics, Olympics.
He jokingly calls me his crazy girl. Cute nickname or soft launch of gaslighting?
That way, everything else is a gaslighting too. No, it's an expression. That's it.
It's a cute nickname.
Yeah, why not?
If you really loved me, you'd know what's wrong. Deep connection or emotional manipulation?
Emotional manipulation for sure.
I dress modestly now, out of respect for our relationship. Growth or guilt trip in disguise?
Guilt trip.
He asked me to block my guy best friend.
Mm-hmm.
Boundary or insecurity in a
Insecurity, insecurity, insecurity. Unless there were no boundaries.
yeah. He broke up 5 times, but love always brings us back. Epic love story or trauma loop for better light?
I would say epic love story.
Epic love story. I
Yeah.
also felt like epic
Yeah.
love story. हमारा सेगमेंट फिफ्थ जो है वो है सिप और स्पिल और इसमें हम आपको बताएंगे कि आपने क्या करना है. Never have I ever flirted just to get free food or drinks. Good, I love it. Never have I ever made eye contact with someone while texting someone else back. Never have I ever used accidentally liked your story as a flirting strategy. उठा ले उठा ले पीले पीले चिक oh never have I ever dated someone just because they were hot and I was bored. Never have I ever talked to someone just to make my ex jealous. Cheers.
That recently happened.
Last question. Never have I ever faked laugh at a bad joke just because they were cute. I knew this. Cheers again.
Shit, no.
I know.
That I just did.
It's a good shit drop.
You should just stop.
Shit dropped.
What is the next segment?
You cannot do this, huh? You have to.
No, but I'm dying. It's spicy. Okay.
Yeah. Woohoo! Love the face.
Oh.
बेटा नहीं करनी थी ना ऐसी हरकतें. Oh my god.
So where were we?
We have completed our
And I won.
हाँ. हाँ. हमने अपने 5 सेगमेंट्स पूरे कर लिए. हमारा छठा सेगमेंट इज रैपिड फायर. ओके जी. टॉक्सिक बट हॉट or boring but safe.
Boring but safe.
ये rapid fire है. You have to answer.
This is still on my head. I mean,
First date, dinner or Netflix?
Netflix.
Worst thing you've done while talking to someone?
What are the options?
There's no option. You have to tell what you have done
Worst thing you've done?
while talking to someone.
Check my phone.
That's the worst thing you've done.
Yeah, I guess.
I'm sure you've done way much worse
No,
things
when
than
you're
this.
No, I haven't. No.
You have not. Oh my god, you're so.
I'm a good human.
Okay. Red flag, you proudly ignore.
When your social media looks like OnlyFans.
That's something you ignore.
Yeah, because it's okay. Personal choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to excuse to avoid a date.
I've got work.
I knew this.
Emergency.
I knew this. Shoot again, I'm going. Oh god.
नहीं, I always have an emergency meeting. मैं देखता हूँ ना कि दूसरा ऑप्शन बेहतर है कि नहीं है. Otherwise, rather than sitting home and not doing anything, I would rather go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bad date or whatever.
Flirting level. Innocent smile or full on eye contact with a smirk.
That does not happen. Innocent whatever. Smile.
Innocent smile.
Yeah.
Really?
Eye contact, I don't know.
If I am flirting, I think I will have this eye contact with a smirk.
Isn't that too old school?
I think that's bold and sexy.
No, that's
Innocent
very
smile is
superficial as
like-
well. No, I'm more into
Innocence?
the person's personality than what I see. Like,
One text that instantly gives you the ick.
somebody who loves socializing.
One text that instantly gives you the ick. ऐसा कोई message.
What's up?
What's up? Okay. I'm gonna give you this text now every day.
Or sup. S-U-P.
Yeah, sup is actually icky. Worse reply. K or lol. K या lol. LOL.
I like them both. But K. LOL is just LOL.
Yeah. Lol is lol.
Hmm.
Would you date your ex's friend ever?
If my ex had good friends, I would have continued.
I love it. What's hotter? Good morning text or late night call?
Hmm?
What's hotter?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning text or late night call?
I think a good morning text.
Good morning text is hotter for you?
Yeah, because I need to, at times I need to sleep early. It's very irritating if somebody calls me late night.
Yeah.
And I don't want to put it off.
So at the end of my show,
Mm-hmm.
I ask all of my guests कि आप हमारे जितने भी listeners और viewers हैं, उनको कोई अच्छी relationship related advice दीजिए.
Hmm.
तो please क्या आप?
अच्छा मुझे लगता है कि it's very important for everyone these days to detox from social media, and not everything you do should be shared. There are moments that need to be lived then recorded. So be in the moment and be true to yourself, be true to the other person, and also understand that relationships or anything in life works only if you want it to work. If you don't want it to work, it's not going to work. And yeah, that's about it. It's you. It's always one-sided. You do not dictate how the other person reacts to how you behave. You just wish and you work for it and you get it. Go
Or you
get it.
don't.
Or you don't, yeah.
Yeah.
You need to be open, you need to be comfortable, you need to be easy with who you are.
And even
you
with
know.
your own self. Otherwise, you're already
Yeah.
like in a very stressful situation.
Exactly.
You know?
So it's very
It's
important.
a very good
If
advice.
something does not make you comfortable and happy, and if you're not yourself with somebody, um, it's never going to work. It doesn't work that way. And respect is very important, the most important thing.
Okay जी, so this was actually a very good advice. मैं भी कोशिश करूँगी कि इसको follow करूँ और at the end I would tell you all कि आप हमारे जितने भी social media platforms हैं, हमारा Facebook page, Instagram page, हमारे YouTube channel को like करें, subscribe करें और आप comments में या हमारे email address के ऊपर अपनी stories भी share कर सकते हैं जो हम anonymously अपने show में add करेंगे और उस पर कुछ discussion भी कर सकते हैं. So till the next time, bye bye.